Okay, Steve, I finished your antique, giant, 2-foot tall Bontems double singing bird cage. I think everything turned out really, really nice. You can see there is the lower bird. Again, I was able to conserve the antique cranberry glass flowers, restored the foliage. See, the top bird is nice and bright. I had to refeather that. There's also some light blues with some greens underneath the head. Orange and yellow on the breast. I'll show you the top. Really turned out great. So this would have been made in the late 1800s. It's the largest bird cage that Bontems made. Fully serviced the mechanism. The bellows have been replaced. Let's go ahead and watch it play. I'm going to start off on continuous mode first. So the birds open and close their beaks synchronized to the bird song. They flap their tails. And they also rotate their heads. It's a very large cage, so it's tough to get everything. Now I'm going to shift this to the third operating position. And this is the pause feature, which is important. I actually set a new record in speaking with my friends. So on a full wind, I tested this, and it ran for about 15 minutes on the pause setting, which is pretty amazing. And the pause feature allows the birds to sing much longer than running on continuous mode. It's really a very nice. This also has, it's a faux door. You wouldn't really need to open. It's going to take me 2 hands here. But see, then that opens up. And that allows you access to the birds, because if you don't have a cover on this, they will get dusty. And then you can gently dust off the birds. Let me switch to continuous. Very lifelike. So in summary, an antique Bontems, and these are life-size birds, and they actually still have the real bird feet, fully restored for a client of mine. I'm going to turn it off. It's a very nice piece. Take care.